Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up nested folder structure using our extension Workdrive for Zoho CRM. The nested folder structure can be of many kinds. In this video, we're going to talk about a specific scenario where in the deals module, we want to separate the deals folder in separate stages. So if the deal is in a certain stage, then a stage folder will be created. And then inside that, we will have the deal folder. And if the stage changes from one stage to another, then the deal should be moved from the previous stage to the new stage folder. So to do that, let's go to the marketplace and then click on installed and find our extension Workdrive for Zoho CRM. Click on settings. And click on deals. This is the default folder structure. Whenever a record is created, a folder will be created in the deals module using the deal link. Let's remove the previous folders. This was a demo. Okay, all right. Let's click on the pencil icon. So the first layer, the first folder will be the stage folder. So let's remove the folder name and press on Shift and 3. And then in the select field, we will select the stage. All right. This will be the folder name. Next, save folder. Do you want to save the folder ID? I don't want to do that because the stage will be same for all the records if the folders are in that stage. So I'm skipping this one. Copy lead folder. This is for lead conversion. We will have a separate video for that. But basically, do you want to copy the content from the lead folder if a lead is converted to the deal module? If you do want to do that, then click on the copy lead folder and then select the folder ID of the lead. So Workdrive folder ID, ext. So using this ID, we will copy all of the content from the lead folder to the stage folder over here. So I'm not clicking on that. Do you want to have a share URL saved in a field in your record? No, I don't want to do that for the stage. Then additional information. Do you want to use existing folder? So what do I mean by that? Let's save this one and update the settings and then go to deals and create a deal. So let's have test 1, our name, game sample, and stage, maybe need analysis, and have date and save. So we are expecting to have a stage folder created in the Workdrive. Need analysis is created. So the next time when I create another deal with the same stage, need analysis. All right, need analysis and save. Let's see what it currently does. So it will create another folder for the same stage, but we don't want that, right? We want the ability for using the existing stage folder for all of the records, right? That are in the need analysis stage. So to do that, we will click on the pencil icon again and click on this use existing folder. All right. So if a folder exists for this stage, then it will use that one. Okay. And save. All right. Next, we want to have a folder for the record, deal record. Then we will click on plus, and then the folder ID, folder name would be the deal name. Over here, we want to save the folder ID. So we can select fields and then select this one, Workdrive folder ID ext. Next, do you want to copy the lead folder? Yes. So, I mean, we're going to select Workdrive folder ID xt. Do you want to save your URL? Yes, sure. Let's save it in the description. And additional information, do you want to use existing folder? No. We want to move folder to new location if exists. So what it means is if a stage changes from one stage to another, do you want to move that folder to the new stage or not? So if I hit save, click on save. This one is save. But for stage change, we need to create another folder, right? So if I create a deal right now, let's remove this one. Create a deal. Deal name, folder 1. File name, closing date, and the stage qualification. The qualification folder will be created. Yes. And if we clone this one and give it another name, folder 2, these, save. This should be saved. The folder should be saved under the qualification. So let's go inside. You can see the folder is saved under the same qualification stage folder. So right now we want to change the stage from qualification to a different stage, and we want our folder to be moved to the new stage, right? To do that, we need to create a workflow so that whenever a stage changes, it triggers the workflow. Workflow rules. Create rule. Budget deals. Move folder to new stage. Next. Record action on create. Edit. Repeat this for all. Whenever specific stage is changed to any value, I don't want to do this for all the deals, but rather do it for the ones that have the folder ID saved. So it's not empty. Done. And in the instant action, we will select custom action and create Workdrive settings, easy Workdrive. And this will open this pop-up. Now let's create Workdrive folder. Select the root folder, workspace, then team folder, Easy Workdrive. Then we need to select the deal folder. All right. Next is the same like before. We will click on the pencil icon, and then we need to do the same. Shift L3, select stage. No, not save folder. I'm gonna skip all of these and click on use existing folder. Click on plus icon, deal name, save folder. Yes, Workdrive folder ID xt. So this is where we save the folder ID, and maybe also have a share URL saved in the description. And we will move folder to new location if exists. So if the deal stage changes, we will move the folder from the previous stage to the new stage and save. Give it a name. Workdrive, move to stage, save an associate, and save. Okay, so now we have qualification and both of these folders. Let's change the stage from qualification to need analysis. Should be changed. Let's go back, move from need analysis to qualification. And then we can also change stage need analysis to value proposition, and it should be moved from the need analysis to the value proposition. So if we go to the need analysis, it's empty, and value proposition have this folder too. So this is how you can set up nested folder structure using our extension workflows, and also in the marketplace. If you come to the settings, you can change the folder structure in this dynamic way. Thank you very much.